Have you ever wondered why regaining muscle mass seems harder after taking a break? Let's dive into the fascinating world of muscle memory. This remarkable ability allows our muscles to remember previous strength levels, providing a blueprint for rebuilding lost muscle. Even after a period of inactivity, muscle fibers retain a memory of their past strength, enabling them to bounce back more quickly than one might expect. This is why, even if it feels tough at first, recovery can be swift and easy. Turns out, your muscles haven't forgotten their former glory. Before hitting the weights, it's crucial to assess where you stand. Understanding your current physical condition isn't just about stepping back into the gym, it's about smartly steering your journey towards regaining lost muscle mass. Begin with a simple self-assessment, or even better, schedule a session with a fitness professional. They can provide invaluable insights into your strengths and areas needing improvement. Another effective method is utilizing fitness apps. These tools can help you track your strength levels and monitor various fitness metrics, giving you a clear picture of your starting point. Don't underestimate the power of starting with basic exercises either. Simple movements like push-ups, squats, or even brisk walking can help gauge your current endurance and strength levels without overtaxing your body. Remember, the goal here is not just to jump back in, but to build a foundation that acknowledges your current state. A solid starting point sets the stage for effective muscle rebuilding. Fueling your muscles is about more than just eating more. When it comes to regaining lost muscle mass, what you eat is as crucial as how you train. Let's dive into the essentials of nutrition for muscle gain. Firstly, protein is your muscle's best friend. Aim to include a good source of protein in every meal to support muscle repair and growth. This could mean incorporating lean meats, fish, dairy, or plant-based proteins like lentils and chickpeas. It's not just about quantity, the quality of the protein matters too. Balanced meals are your next priority. Each plate should have a harmony of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are fuel for your workouts, while fats are essential for hormone production, which in turn supports muscle growth. Don't forget hydration. Keeping well hydrated is essential for optimal muscle function and recovery. Water plays a key role in transporting nutrients to your muscles and removing waste products. If you're unsure about the best diet for your specific needs, consider consulting a nutritionist. They can tailor a meal plan that complements your training regime. Perfectly proper nutrition turbocharges your muscle recovery. All workouts are not created equal when it comes to regaining muscle mass. To sculpt a plan that brings results, start by anchoring your routine in compound movements. These exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, offering a more efficient way to build strength and size. Begin with squats, the powerhouse of leg day. Squats not only strengthen the quads, hamstrings, and glutes, but also trigger an anabolic environment, which promotes body-wide muscle growth. Next, incorporate the deadlift. This all-encompassing lift aids in building a strong back and legs, and it's essential for overall body strength and muscle mass. Don't overlook the bench press, a classic move for enhancing the chest, shoulders, and triceps. The bench press can be a pivotal part of your muscle recovery arsenal. Together, these three lifts form the cornerstone of an effective muscle building plan. Progression is key. Start with weights that challenge you without compromising form. Each week, aim to increase the load slightly. This gradual increase helps to continuously challenge your muscles, which is crucial for regrowth and strength. Consistency is just as important as the exercises themselves. Set a routine that allows you to work out at least three times a week. This regularity is vital in stimulating muscle memory and fostering growth. Remember, recovery is part of the equation. To allow adequate rest between workouts to let your muscles repair and grow. Tailor your workouts to maximize muscle engagement. Rest is not just a pause, it's part of the process. When striving to regain muscle mass, it's crucial to remember that muscles don't grow while lifting weights, but during the recovery periods between workouts, rest days are not merely about staying out of the gym. They are essential for physical repair and psychological well-being. Muscle recovery is greatly enhanced by sleep. During sleep, the body produces growth hormone, which is vital for muscle repair and growth. This is why getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night can dramatically improve your recovery rates and, subsequently, your muscle gains. Overtraining, on the other hand, can be a significant setback. It occurs when the intensity and volume of workouts exceed the body's ability to recover. Symptoms include prolonged soreness, a plateau in performance, and even injuries. Avoiding this is crucial as it not only hampers muscle growth, but can also lead to severe exhaustion and decreased motivation. Remember, growth happens when you're resting. What gets measured gets managed. When embarking on a journey to regain lost muscle mass, keeping a keen eye on your progress is crucial. Utilizing fitness apps or maintaining a workout journal can be transformative. These tools allow you to log daily workouts, track the weights you lift, and even record your dietary intake, providing a clear picture of where you are versus where you need to be. But how exactly do you turn these logs into actionable insights? It's simple. Review your data weekly to spot trends. Are you consistently improving your lift weights? Is your recovery time decreasing? If yes, then your current regimen is likely effective. However, if you notice plateaus or declines, it might be time to adjust the intensity of your workouts, tweak your diet, or perhaps even increase your rest periods. Remember, the goal is to use this data not just as a record, but as a roadmap. Adjustments based on this information can significantly enhance your fitness journey. Stay informed to stay ahead. Keeping the fire alive is key to regaining your muscle mass. The journey to reclaiming lost muscle can sometimes feel long and arduous, but with the right mindset, you can keep pushing through. First off, setting clear, achievable goals is crucial. Whether it's adding 5 pounds to your bench press or committing to 3 gym sessions a week, having concrete objectives turns the abstract into reality. Working out with a partner can also dramatically boost your motivation. There's something about having someone to share the struggles and successes with that makes the journey less daunting. Plus, it's harder to skip a workout when someone is counting on you. And let's not forget about celebrating small victories. Each time you reach a minor goal, take a moment to acknowledge your progress. This could be as simple as treating yourself to a new workout playlist or a nice meal out. These celebrations keep the journey enjoyable and remind you of why you started. Keep your eyes on the prize, and you'll see results. Let's quickly recap the essentials for regaining your muscle mass effectively. First, it's crucial to evaluate where you currently stand. Understanding your starting point helps tailor your approach, ensuring you don't overexert yourself too early in the process. Next, your diet. It fuels your comeback. Integrating a balanced diet rich in proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats supports muscle repair and growth. Remember, proper nutrition is just as vital as the workout itself. Speaking of workouts, constructing the right exercise regimen is the linchpin. Focus on a mix of strength training exercises that challenge your muscles, combined with consistency and gradual increases in intensity. Don't forget the importance of rest and recovery. Your muscles need time to heal and grow stronger, so ensure you're getting enough sleep and actively managing stress levels. Monitoring your progress is also key. Regular check-ins allow for adjustments to your diet or routine, ensuring continuous improvement. Lastly, maintaining motivation throughout your journey is essential. Set realistic goals and celebrate the small victories along the way. With these strategies, you're well equipped to reclaim and even surpass your previous muscle strength. Go get it. Scene script. Ready to get back to your strongest self? Now that you've gained the insights on how to reclaim lost muscle mass, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Start implementing the strategies discussed, from fine-tuning your nutrition to optimizing your workout routines. Don't forget to subscribe for more invaluable fitness tips that can guide you through your journey. Share this video with friends who are also looking to boost their fitness levels. Your journey to regain muscle starts today. Push play on your goals. If you have watched until the end of this video and think you have learned anything new or anything of value, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon as well. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.